If you've been using your high-level CRM or been thinking about starting GoHighLevel and have been kind of dabbling around with it, today's video is the only video you're going to need to see that's absolutely going to change your revenue game within the next 30 days. This latest AI tool called Ask AI within your HighLevel account is an insane feature, is not only an insane AI tool, it's one of 10 tools, and it is massively changing the game in the way you do business every single day. I'm about to show you 10 use cases that are going to help you catapult to your next income revenue level. So if you're excited about this update, comment Ask AI in the comments and let's get into it. So when you log into your HighLevel account, of course, what you want to do, there's this little part on the bottom called settings, right? When you go to settings, you're going to navigate to this piece called labs. And I'm sorry, it's a little bit cut off, but there you go, labs. When you're in there, you're going to want to type in AI. Oops, that's not AI. When you type AI, because you're going to want to turn on Ask AI and make sure it's on. Then you're also going to want to turn on voice, because you can now voice dictate into this. Okay. Mine is already turned on. That's why you don't see it. So then once you come back to Ask AI, which is right here on the top left, what I like to do is start with the biggest money-making components of your business, and that is content creation. So check this out. Ask AI can create any form of content for you, and it could not only create it, but it could schedule it right here in the social planner, which connects to your YouTube channel, your Instagram, your LinkedIn, Facebook, all of that. Now let me show you this. This is a sales page that I have, of course, built on this platform. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my entire sales page copy. I'm going to copy and paste it right in here into this new chat, because what I'm going to tell it to do is tell it to, let me do this really quick. I'm going to say, check out the sales page copy below. What I want you to do is create me a carousel that promotes this course for me. Make sure the carousel is 10 carousels long. And I want you, most importantly, to keep it on brand, tone, etc., but also the branding palette of my brand. Attached is a picture of my branding colors for your reference. So please follow that and show me what you got. Okay, now it's dictated. Everything I dictated is at the top, or is it at the bottom? Yeah, right here. Make sure that's what I said. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to screenshot this. Now you can put your branding colors permanently within HighLevel, but you can attach anything, a PDF, any type of document, so that you can reference this. And then I'm going to go like this, and then I'm going to click create. So you can see this is absolutely insane. This used to take, days and even weeks to prepare, right? So like it created like 9 out of the 10. So you can see you can see how it followed my branding, which is the most important thing. All right. You can see it covered the pain points. It knew exactly what to extract from the sales page in order to make it a fire post, right? What if you could run your entire YouTube business in just 15 hours a week? Introducing STS system. Like, this is exactly how I would have done it. And I used to ask one of our YouTube coaches to do this, and it used to take her so much time. And not that because she was slow, just because these assets take a long time to build. But now this is something that literally this AI can produce every single week, and can not only do create it, but I could say, okay, cool, it's actually not done yet. It's scheduling, or it's creating one more. But once it's done, it's going to ask me, now, where do you want me to schedule these? Do you want me to post them and schedule to LinkedIn, Instagram, to YouTube? And it will be able to do this. Okay. So that is the first use case. It can create your Instagram reel. No, not reel. Instagram carousel post, which again, you could leverage for LinkedIn and Facebook. You can create YouTube thumbnails here. Think, if you have a course that you're going to build out on GoHighLevel, it can create the thumbnails for the course so it looks nice and premium and professional. And so you deliver a really great product to your future students and clients. I just asked it, I'm like, are you done? And look, it's like, okay, cool. Here's slide number 10, ready to systemize. I absolutely love it. So it is like, yes, Marissa, all 10 slides are done. Here's your full carousel. It gives me a summary of exactly what created. Now it says, want me to tweak any slide, need a caption, want another ratio version. This is so crazy. And this is all within, like, I don't have to download each image and then post it to Instagram and write a caption. Like, this can write me a caption for Instagram, post all of these individually to Instagram, and I can schedule it for 7 a.m. tomorrow morning or whenever I want to. Please schedule, or no, I'm going to talk into it. Please schedule and post it. No, please schedule it for 7 a.m. tomorrow for my Instagram, and also create a description for it. Okay, so while that's verifying the connectivity and getting that scheduled, we can come in here and do other things. What I'm going to do is create an agent, right? An AI agent within my HighLevel CRM to do a task for me. So, hey, I just want a scheduled task. Can you help me just go through my list every week and delete the blacklisted emails and all of the spam complaint emails every Monday at 9 a.m. So as you can see, I'm like, every Monday at 9 a.m. I want this. It was like, okay, cool, Marissa, you're all set. So every week at 9 a.m. here's what I'm going to do: delete all blacklisted emails, delete all spam complaint emails, keeps my list nice and clean. And the way to verify is like, just come right here to schedule tasks, right? Weekly cleanup, delete blacklist emails and spam complaint. Like, this is crazy. So this is going to just run in the background on autopilot. Now imagine setting up an agent or a task every single week where it creates a carousel for you and it posts automatically and is scheduled for all the social medias. It can do so many things, right? It can create a bot. For those of you who are just learning HighLevel, let's say you want help doing anything on HighLevel. This is probably why Ask AI is so powerful, because think of it as the command center. This right here not only does tasks for you, it tells you all data about your contacts, like who needs to be followed up, especially for those of you with high ticket, but it can teach you how to use the thing. So I'm like, hey, watch this. Hey, I don't really know how to use voice AI, but I really want a voice AI agent. Can you help me set it up? I don't know what the first steps are. I want a voice AI to not only act as my salesperson, but also my customer service for basically 24/7. Okay, so while it's doing that, I'm coming back here. It's saying, here's the full report. What it's saying is schedule Instagram carousel. This will schedule your 10 slide carousel. So account to Marissa Romero, carousel 10 images. Tomorrow at 7 a.m. Yes, schedule. I'm going to say not yet, because I don't want it to post yet, but just like it came up with all the hashtags and everything. But as you can see, like, this is insane. I didn't even have to like lift a finger. I didn't have to download. I didn't have to, airdrop it to my phone and write a description. Like, it's all housed in here. Okay. So going back to the voice AI agent, it's saying, love this, Marissa. You're going to have a full voice AI working both as your sales, blah, blah, blah. Here's your voice AI build plan. I'll work through it each step automatically. So it's literally going to teach me how to set up a voice AI. Then it's going to go into, let's see, AI agents right here, and it's going to create a voice AI. I only have like one agent right now who answers my phone. So it can create several of these for me. And it'll also train it on what to say when somebody calls my phone number, or even have the ability to do outbound. Okay, so let's imagine for this product right here, subscribers to sales, let's imagine it's not in my HighLevel yet, and I wanted my HighLevel to build it for me, meaning it'll outline all the modules. I can say, okay, what I want you to do is start creating the course for the subscribers to sales systems. You know what it is. I want you to create the course for me. Can you do that? Then it is going to think. Okay, so here's what it's saying. It's like, absolutely, Marissa. Here's the proposed course outline, module 1, the lesson, what type it is, the video, module 2. So I scroll down here and it says, does this structure look right? I can adjust the module content, lesson names, quiz assessments, anything else before I build it. Listen, this tool alone is going to help you be able to create digital products for your brand and your clients like way faster. Like, I hated creating the course like back in the day when I didn't have HighLevel. Like, it was so tedious to like go and like add a module, now add a title. It can do all of that. Yeah, what I want you to do is add the titles, the descriptions, the links to resources, all of that for the course. Then it's going to be like, absolutely, Marissa. Yes, I can do that. Okay, so basically those are the main things I wanted to highlight. So it's going to start literally building out all lessons, lessons 9 through 1. So really when I go into my courses and go into my products, see, it's starting to build it. This wasn't here just a couple minutes ago, but now it is. So it's starting to build it. You can kind of see doing it live, right? It's just on module 1. It's got a couple more modules to go. It's going to build this out. So all I have to do is once I'm done recording my course, just pop in the videos from either, you know, whether I record them on Loom or whatever screen recording software, I can just put them in here. Super, super easy. Press publish and start to sell it on my checkout page. And then so here, this is going back to the voice AI. So what it did was it said STS sales and support is now active. Okay, adds to your existing voice agents with Jessica voice. So basically when someone calls my work number, it's going to identify, I love this. It's going to identify like, hey, are you an existing customer or are you not? Then it'll get somebody's name, email, phone number, add it to the contacts in my CRM database. It's just crazy. Okay. So by the way, if like you're super hyped and just as pumped about this tool as I am, definitely check out all of my Go High Level bonuses, my Profit Lounge community, which is if you sign up using my affiliate link with Go High Level, what then happens is you get access to all of my custom snapshots that I've made for you, including lead generation, high ticket, course funnels, all of those. Not only that, I'm right there on the phone with you so that you know exactly which step to take so that you can make more money in your business. Essentially, we go over offers, we go over funnels, we go over like the technical stuff, right? And I'm excited to see you in the community soon. So one of the last things I wanted to mention about Ask AI is that when you download the HighLevel app onto your phone, you can leverage this tool on your phone. So you can, you know, if you want it to schedule a task as you're on the go, if you want it to look up the latest payment someone made to you, if you want it to like literally tell you how much money did I make in the past 7 days, it can do that. It can gather everything within your CRM. It can build workflows for you on the go. I mean, also on desktop, but also on the go. It can build pipelines. It can do so many things. And just think about this. This is just like one of the AI tools within HighLevel. Like there's a whole tutorial. Like if you want me to do a full tutorial of all the AIs, just type like AI tutorial in the comments so that I can get that going for you. But this is seriously a game changer. Like let me know in the comments what excites you the most about this tool. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely check out my next video up next. Just click right here and I will see you on that video.